it's Kris from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 9-patch. Now there are two different ways I will show you how to do this. One is that you would cut all of your blocks separately and then put them together. So just like we did with a 4-patch block, you're going to create one row, a second row, and a third row, which these 2 rows I've already sewn together. Now, in order to do this, I'll take my center square, put right sides together and stitch right along there, pull it out, and I will take my third square, right sides together, stitch down, and pull it out, thus creating rows just like this. Now to join our rows, we want to make sure that on the first row, our seams go in one direction, second row, they go in the opposite direction, and the third row is going to go in the opposite direction of the second. We do this so that our seams will nest up together, making it so easy to stitch and have perfect corners. So I'll take this first row, put it right sides together, and you'll see that I'm nesting right here. And what that exactly means is that this seam is in this direction and that seam is in the opposite direction, which allows me to butt up these seams right next close to each other. It's almost as if it locks into place. Now, if you feel more comfortable, you could place a pin in there as you stitch, but I'm going to go ahead and just take it to the machine and sew all the way down again, making sure that my seams are nestled up to one another. And that's, again, what we call nesting. With my top 2 rows finished, I'm now ready to add my final row. And again, I'm simply going to put right sides together, nestle those seams together, and sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way down. Nesting my seams together, I'm ready to sew. And look how great that looks. And now you have a beautiful 9-patch block. Thanks for watching.